Hello, I am Priyanka Mahajan. Today we are going to discuss about the revised curriculum of CBSE board for class 10th English language and literature code number 184. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the syllabus. Then we are going to discuss about the paper pattern. In 10th standard 2020-21's board exam paper, you find three sections. Section A, reading skills. Section B, writing skills with grammar. Section C, literature textbooks and supplementary reader. From first flight, these units are there in syllabus. Chapter 1, A Letter to God. Dust of Snow, Fire and Ice. Chapter 2, Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom, A Tiger in the Zoo. Chapter 3, Two Stories About Flying, The Ball Poem. Chapter 4, From the Diary of Annie Frank, Amanda. Chapter 5, The 100 Dresses Part 1. Chapter 6, The 100 Dresses Part 2, Animals. Chapter 7, Glimpses of India. Chapter 9, Madam Rides the Bus, The Tale of Custard the Dragon. Chapter 10, The Sermon at Banaras. Chapter 11, The Proposal. From Footprints Without Feet, supplementary reader, you find following lessons there in the syllabus. Chapter 1, A Triumph of Surgery. Chapter 2, The Thief's Story. Chapter 5, Footprints Without Feet. Chapter 6, The Making of a Scientist. Chapter 7, The Necklace. Chapter 8, The Hack Driver. Chapter 9, Bholi. Revised grammar syllabus for board exam excluding the deleted units. 1. Tenses. 2. Models. 3. Subject verb concord. 4th. Reported speech. A. Commands and requests. B. Statements. C. Questions. 5th. Determiners. Grade 10 CBSE English Language and Literature Paper Pattern 2020-21. Question number 1, multiple choice questions based on a discursive passage of 400 to 450 words to test inference, evaluation and vocabulary. 10 out of 12 questions to be answered for 10 marks. Question 2, multiple choice questions based on a case-based factual passage with visual input statistical data chart of 300 to 350 words to test analysis and interpretation. 10 out of 12 questions to be answered for 10 marks. Then question 3, multiple choice questions based on an extract from drama prose to test inference, evaluation and vocabulary. Any 1 out of 2 extracts to be done for 5 marks. Question number 4, multiple choice questions based on an extract from poetry to test analysis and interpretation. Any 1 out of 2 extracts to be done for 5 marks. Question number 5, 10 multiple choice questions out of 12 to be answered for 10 marks. Pattern Part B. In this part, you find question number 1, formal letter, words limit 100 to 120 words. Based on a given situation, 1 out of 2 questions is to be answered for 5 marks. Question 2, writing an analytical paragraph, word limit 100 to 120 words. Based on a given outline, data, chart, cues, 1 out of 2 questions is to be answered for 5 marks. Question 3, 4 out of 6 short answer type questions to be answered in 20 to 30 words. each from First Flight and Footprints Without Feet. 2 out of 3 from First Flight and 2 out of 3 from Footprints Without Feet for 8 marks. Question 4. 4 out of 6 short answer type questions to be answered in 40 to 50 words, each from First Flight and Footprints Without Feet. 2 out of 3 from First Flight and 2 out of 3 from Footprints Without Feet for 12 marks. Question 5. 1 out of 2 long answer type questions from First Flight to be answered in about 100 to 120 words, each to assess creativity, imagination, and extrapolation beyond the text and across the text. This can be a passage based question taken from a situation plot from the text for 5 marks. Question 6. 1 out of 2 long answer type questions from Footprints Without Feet on theme or plot involving interpretation, extrapolation beyond the text, and inference or character sketch to be answered in about 100 to 120 words for 5 marks. From First Flight, how to tell wild animals, trees, fog, Mitchell the otter. For Annie Gregory, these units are deleted. From Footprints Without Feet, The Midnight Visitor, A Question of Trust, The Book That Saved the Earth, these units are deleted. Words and Expressions, Part 2, this book is deleted. From Grammar, use of passive voice, clauses, noun, adverb, relative, and prepositions, these units are deleted. Best of luck for your studies and then for your exams. Keep watching, keep learning, and be safe. And always smile for the life. Thank you.